Hello, love to be moved through foods and music? Well, you are on the right place. We the staff in the management welcome you here at the Euphemious. We are proud to serve you with a touch of Euphemious, a place to drink and dine by yourself, with your family and friends, with a soothing, cool, chill, easy listening musical repertoire sung by our homegrown seasoned entertainers. So just sit back, eat, take a sip of your favorite drink and wine, relax. That is what we call the Euphemious touch. The Euphemious, the most relaxing place. Thank you for your visit.
If I sing you a love song, love song lasts longer than lovers ever do. So baby, let me sing a love song for you. Said the thing, we're not gonna make it.
Ooh, baby, it's a lover. It's not a goodbye, just a small smile. Yesterday I feel the wind blowing round my shoulder. All the photographs and places I remember, just like a dying ember that's burning to my soul. Even though the room and time on standard highways, it's the country lanes and byways.
Dito po sa amin sa Euphemious, kayo ay importante at palugod po namin kayong pagsisilbihan habang kayo po ay nakikinig sa aming mga piling-piling mga tugtugin at awitin. Mga awiting inawit ng atin mga galing at mga talintong mga kababayan. Po kayong kumain at uminom ng paborito nyong inumin o kaya kumain ng iyong gustong-gustong kainin habang kayo po ay nakikinig at nagre-relax sa mga tugtugin at awitin. Salamat at ginawa niyong bahagi ng iyong araw ang pagpunta niyo dito sa Euphemious. Maraming salamat po.